Have you ever stopped to ponder how much our daily lives are shaped by our interaction with computers? It's a fascinating thought, really. The moment we wake up, we reach out for our smartphones, scrolling through updates, sending out messages, and setting reminders for the day. As we head out, we interact with more computers, from the ATM that dispenses our cash to the GPS that guides us to our destination. At work, software applications help us manage tasks, collaborate with colleagues, and drive productivity. All these interactions are made possible, seamless, and efficient by human-computer interaction, or HCI. It's the science and art behind designing user-friendly interfaces that enhance our experiences with these devices. It's all about making technology work for us, not the other way around. HCI doesn't just make our lives easier, it also significantly impacts our quality of life. Indeed, HCI plays an instrumental role in our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. To appreciate the role of HCI, let's journey through its evolution. In the nascent days of computing, interaction was a rather challenging affair, limited to command line interfaces. Imagine sitting in front of a terminal, typing out intricate commands to instruct the machine. It was a time when computers were a mystery to the average person, a complex jigsaw puzzle that only a select few could decipher. Then came a pivotal moment that would forever change the course of HCI: the introduction of graphical user interfaces, or GUIs, and the mouse. Pioneered by Xerox PARC in the 70s and popularized by Apple in the 80s, GUIs made computers more user-friendly, intuitive, and visually appealing. The mouse, a seemingly simple device, allowed users to point, click, and drag objects on the screen, revolutionizing the way we interacted with computers. The dawn of the 21st century ushered in another game-changing innovation: touch interfaces. With the advent of smartphones and tablets, we began to interact with computers in a more tactile and immersive way, swiping, pinching, and tapping our way through digital landscapes. It was a shift that made technology even more accessible and personal, weaving it seamlessly into the fabric of daily life. Today, we stand on the brink of another exciting chapter in the evolution of HCI. We're seeing the rise of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, which are transforming the way we command and communicate with our devices. We're also witnessing the advent of virtual and augmented reality technologies, which promise to create immersive and interactive experiences unlike anything we've seen before. These emerging technologies are blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds, challenging us to rethink the very notion of interaction. They're reshaping the landscape of HCI, opening up new possibilities and opportunities for innovation. From command lines to immersive virtual realities, the evolution of HCI is a testament to human ingenuity and our constant strive for better ways to interact with technology. So, what can we glean from this brief exploration of HCI? Let's start by recapping our journey through the world of human-computer interaction, or HCI. It's clear that this field is not just about technology, it's about us, the people, and how we engage with the digital world around us. Think about the devices you use every day: your smartphone, your laptop, even your smart home devices. Each one of these devices represents a different facet of HCI, showing us just how omnipresent it has become in our lives. And it's not just about convenience. HCI plays a crucial role in sectors as varied as healthcare, education, and entertainment, making our interactions with computers not just possible, but also efficient and enjoyable. Now, let's take a trip back in time to the early days of HCI. Remember when the only way to communicate with a computer was through a command line interface? Those days seem like ancient history now, don't they? But that's where it all began. From those humble beginnings, we've seen HCI evolve to include graphic user interfaces, touch interfaces, and even voice interfaces. Imagine trying to navigate your smartphone with a command line interface. It would be a nightmare, wouldn't it? This evolution has been driven by the relentless pursuit of a more intuitive, more natural way for humans to interact with machines. And it's this pursuit that will continue to drive the evolution of HCI. But what does the future hold for HCI? Well, if the past is anything to go by, we can expect to see more revolutionary changes on the horizon. Emerging technologies like virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and brain-computer interfaces are set to redefine the way we interact with computers. These technologies aren't just for the tech enthusiasts among us, they have the potential to change everyone's lives, making our interactions with computers even more seamless and intuitive. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, the field of HCI promises to bring even more exciting innovations to the way we interact with computers. Stay tuned to see where this fascinating journey takes us next.